Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment down below. Right, so today I'm going on a picnic and I've decided to make sushi burrito for the first ever time. And I know I'm half Japanese, but I've never made sushi like properly, so this is gonna be my attempt to make a sushi burrito, and I'm really excited because I've prepared for this picnic. I have a tent, a mat, and yeah, I'll show you anyway. So yeah, let me get started.
So for my sushi burrito, I'm using 1 cucumber. You want to cut it thinly, even though I'm not doing a great job because I suck at cutting. But yeah, you also want to remove the middle part because there's a lot of water which will make the inside of your burrito soggy. So you can just snack on it whilst making your burrito. Then you want to cut 1 avocado. Obviously be careful taking out the seed if you're as clumsy as me. You also want to cut this into thin slices. I'm using sushi rice, of course, which I have already cooked in my rice cooker, and this is sushi rice vinegar. I'm just guesstimating, I never really measure things, I just taste as I cook. I'm also adding a tiny spoon of sugar, then I mix everything. The sugar will melt as long as your rice is still hot. I'm also using black pepper, mayonnaise, sesame oil and salt. So to make this quick and easy, I'm using a can of tuna flakes in brine. Your filling can be anything you want. I sprinkle a bit of salt and black pepper. Then I add sweet corn. Tuna and sweet corn always taste so good together. For my husband's, I'm putting in mayonnaise. QP mayo is the best. I'm intolerant to egg whites, so I'll be using sesame oil instead. If you like chili, you can probably add that. I actually need to find more sauces that I can have. I'm using 2 sheets of yakinori dried seaweed for each burrito, adding a bit of rice at the top so the sheets can stick together. You want the shiny side of the seaweed sheet to face down. Then I'm just spreading the rice, leaving a gap at the top and the bottom, and then adding all my fillings. After that's done, you just have to roll it over like so. I'm just using this bamboo mat because I have it, but I think you can still do this without it. This is my first time, so if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Then I just slice it diagonally and it's done. Ignore the messy foil, I didn't sharpen my knife. Here's my second attempt doing the same thing. I think both turned out quite well.
A few moments later.
It's been quite sunny in Hong Kong recently, so we got this UV protected tent from Daiso. I didn't even know Daiso sold tents, but they literally have everything. This tent was only 100 Hong Kong dollars. This is also my first time setting up a tent. I forgot to film a taste test, but the burritos tasted good. I think mine would have tasted better if I got more creative with the sauce, but yeah, this one was quick and easy to make and easy to carry.